Hello and thanks for joining us for our update on the government shutdown. I'm Megan Abdelaziz, real estate SINY.com's mortgage and economics reporter. As many of you are aware by now, the federal government partially shut down on Tuesday, October 1st. This is the first time in 17 years it has shut down. The last time was between November 1995 and January 1996. This year's shutdown, though, is not just because of federal funding. The debt ceiling issue is also on the table. Since Friday, September 20th, the House of Representatives and Congress have been going back and forth trying to pass a spending bill. But neither parties, the Republicans or the Democrats, want a compromise to actually pass a spending bill. The Republicans want to delay or take funding away from the Affordable Care Act, while the Democrats want the funding for it. On Thursday, October 3rd, President Obama made a statement that pretty much said that he's not going to negotiate on any issues until the government reopens, and they can discuss the debt ceiling issue as well. Since then, the House has tried to submit bills that would reopen some of the agencies, but the Senate does not want to proceed with them, except for the bill to pay furloughed workers once the government reopens. Since then, the Senate passed a bill along to the House that is continuing resolution that would let the government fully reopen until a long-term funding plan is agreed upon. But the House Speaker, John Boehner, hasn't and doesn't want to let the House vote on the bill, which most members would actually pass. At this point in time, there are about 800,000 furloughed federal employees and about 1.3 million federal employees that are working without getting paid. The shutdown is also costing the economy about $300 million a day, or $1.6 billion a week. Of the government's 109 agencies, 41 agencies are closed and not functioning, 30 agencies are open, and 38 agencies are partially closed or shut down completely. After the government shut down, CBS News and Gallup.com took polls on the matter. The poll from CBS News was on Americans' approval of the shutdown because of the Affordable Care Act. The poll came back showing that 72% of Americans disapprove of the government partially shutting down because of the Affordable Care Act. This percentage even includes the 59% of Americans that didn't approve of the Affordable Care Act at first. Gallup.com also released results from two polls that dealt with the government shutdown. Their first poll was on how Americans see the current shutdown, which showed results that 70% of Americans consider this shutdown a major problem or a crisis. Their second poll was on Americans' confidence in the economy, which plummeted down. Gallup.com's Economic Confidence Index for the week of September 30th to October 6th dropped to -34. Now, as far as the debt ceiling issue, on October 17th, the government will run out of money and we will go into default. The president has already stated that he will not be increasing the debt limit since that is handled by the Congress alone. But the House is firm on its decision to not support bills on either the government spending or the debt ceiling limit until the president agrees to their terms of the Affordable Care Act. With both the Republicans and the Democrats being hard-headed, it may be a while before any resolution comes about for these two issues. As long as no spending bill is passed, the government will continue to be shut down, affecting our economy that was just starting to get better. If there is no decision for raising the debt ceiling limit before we run out of money, it could cause a global financial crisis, since many outside countries invest in our stocks and bonds. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Google+ and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget you can visit our trending SINY.com website, which is a division of Real Estate SINY.com, for more updates. Once again, this is Megan Abdelaziz with Real Estate SINY.com. Real Estate SINY.com is a full-service real estate brokerage located on Staten Island. If you're looking to buy or sell your home, you can contact us at 718-966-9669, and one of our experienced agents will gladly help you. If you simply just want to browse the latest listings or keep up with market statistics, you can visit our website at realestatesiny.com.